I've noticed that Perplexity AI and ChatGPT are becoming significant sources of my traffic. AI is sending me real leads. How do you suggest to grow this further? Publish more content across more platforms, not the main money site. Publish more branded content that is always tying the products or services or locations back to the company. Publish more branded content across more platforms. That's how you're going to do it, right? And make sure that it's on the platforms that are typically ingested by the large language models. There's a really interesting article. If I can find it, I'll show you. It's in this. It should be right here. So right here, this is it. I'm going to put this in chat, guys. This is brightedge.com/perplexity. Okay, so for those of you that aren't on the live call or you're just listening to it or whatever, if you go to brightedge.com/perplexity, or excuse me, perplexity, this shows you how the different, or this is an article that shows how some of the large language models are using, like which large language models are that they typically and frequently ingest content from. So like, for example, this is showing in Perplexity that these domains have high visibility in Perplexity citations, but much lower in Google Search Generative Experience citations, right? Or SGE citations. And that is Yahoo, MarketWatch, CNBC, and Reddit, right? And so this is just a pretty interesting article. I'm going to put this in chat, guys, that just shows some of the, depending on the different industries and things like that, the query is regarding, will show. Like, for example, business to business tech. In Perplexity, it's sourcing content from or in ingesting from Reddit, Geeks for Geeks, and Kaspersky, excuse me, Kaspersky. For e-commerce, it's Amazon and Wikipedia. For education, it's these, right? So this just shows finance, right? CNBC, Fool, Investopedia, NerdWallet. So with some searches of AI models, large language models, you could do some prompts to ask them. And a lot of the times you can extract this information from the AI chat as to which sources do you source content from, or do you ingest content from in this particular industry, right? And you can ask it. You might need to prompt chain a few prompts to get it to respond with an accurate list. But then you would start, then what I recommend is trying to find out how do you publish content onto those platforms. In some cases, it's easy to do, but in some cases, you might have to figure out ways to get content published on the platform. But that's how you can start to manipulate large language models, guys, is by producing a lot of branded content that are going to tie the company back to the products and services that you're promoting, and then publishing content across various platforms so that the different language models that ingest content from different platforms now have content out there that is always tying the company back, or the products and services and or locations back to the company that you are promoting. Okay. Good question.